phone is at 13%, but I really want to show you what is happening in New York City now. Look. Just look at my background. It's like covered in snow. And even my phone is covered in snow. And I'll switch camera for you guys to see, okay? So guys, I really need to let you guys see what's happening on my balcony now. And look at, oh my gosh. Woo! I love destroying things, I don't know why. Even though I'm a girl. Look at everything. It's like covered. Ow, no! I think I get snow in my boots. Oh no. Alright, let's destroy this part. Oof, it's hard to walk. Oh no. Oh no. Later I should make a snow pool that I could like sit in there and play with snow. So I'm having a snow fight with my family later at on our rooftop, and I should go gain some energy now, so I should go and eat breakfast. So subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And is your place snowing? If it is, comment down below. Bye!